and back. Just like any project, a Lean Six Sigma project should also be planned and managed meticulously. Let us learn in this lesson about various project planning tools that can enhance the delivery and success of a Six Sigma project as well. Before we go into depth of tools used, let us first revise some basics. We'll start with the definition of project. A project is a set of coordinated activities to achieve specific objectives while working under the set conditions of schedule, budget and performance criteria. When we create a project charter, it captures all the key elements and information around a project. A project management is the process of defining, planning, organizing, monitoring and controlling the progress of a project. The goal of Six Sigma project management process is to deliver the improvement results successfully, which are acceptable to all important stakeholders, and also that the project is completed within time frame and within budget. Project management phases involve 4 main phases, namely initiation, planning, executing and closing. We have seen various aspects of Six Sigma project initiation and planning in our previous lessons where we learned about project selection and project charter. In this lesson we'll mainly focus on an important aspect of planning, that is, dividing the project into manageable tasks called its work breakdown structure. We'll also cover how scheduling is done and milestones are identified. As discussed in previous moment, let us now understand more about the tools that are commonly used for project planning: Gantt chart, program evaluation and review technique, and critical path method. These are used to plan and schedule projects and monitor their progress. Besides, these tools may also help to provide inputs in Six Sigma project prioritization, as these provide schedule. In fact, critical path method or CPM provides cost estimates as well. A Gantt chart is a graphical representation of a project that shows each task as a horizontal bar whose length is proportional to its time for completion. It is thus used for representing the project schedule and helps the team in planning efficient use of its time by identifying the appropriate sequence and potential overlaps in tasks. The tasks on Gantt chart are arranged vertically, from top to bottom, in the order of their start date. Against each task, a horizontal bar shows the time window that is required to complete the task. It is an easy-to-visualize chart. It does not show the order of the tasks, the precedence. It simply shows when a particular task starts and when it ends. Gantt chart is often more useful for depicting relatively simple projects or sub-projects of a large project, the activities of a single worker, or for monitoring the progress of activities compared to scheduled completion dates. To make a Gantt chart, you may download the file from our resources page, or it is also available in the toolkit provided to you. Let us discuss the steps involved in making a Gantt chart. Here are the steps used to prepare a Gantt chart. First, we need to identify target outcome and the final deadline. This step is very important, as otherwise we won't have clear direction. Second step is to brainstorm the tasks that should be done to achieve our target. Ideal way to list down tasks is in the form of work breakdown structure. The list should be refined considering duplicate activities, unnecessary activities, etc. The tasks are listed vertically in the sequence they are supposed to happen on a timeline. Then the duration and timelines are assigned to each of the tasks. Start and end dates are established for every task in the sequence. The exercise should be done pragmatically. Now let us take a look again on the sample. In the template you need to fill the tasks and subtasks and the required days to complete each task in calendar days. Responsibilities can also be captured. The rest of the portion of Gantt chart appears automatically. The horizontal green bars can be seen as soon as the calendar days are filled. Look for the workdays. This template considers 5 days working week. In case the task is appearing to be done on weekend, it'll highlight in red and you can revise the calendar days to make it appropriate. Also, this template has DMAIC-based structuring. Subtask can be added by inserting rows on the identified places, copying formatting as above row, and also dragging the formula from the row above to the inserted row. There are variations of Gantt chart as well. We can also capture the information like predecessor in some forms of the Gantt charts. Though the information is all captured in the template, should you need any support, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Write your queries in the comment box, and we shall try to answer as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates instantly. Have a good time ahead.